In this video, I'll show you how to disable notifications in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, simply click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on the first option, which is Audience Settings. Once you do that, you want to scroll down until you find Email Settings. And below Email Settings, you will see the fourth option, which is Subscriber Notification Emails. On the right-hand side, this is set as subscribers, unsubscribers, and a daily summary. In order for you to disable this, on the right-hand side, click on Edit. A pop-up will show. From here on the left-hand side of each and every summary, you need to disable by simply toggling this off. Now in here, we will toggle off summary email, individual subscriber notifications, as well as individual unsubscribe notifications. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on Save Notification Settings. And once you do that, you won't be able to receive any notification right onto your email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.